cocaine is just a little bit too strong with the pesticides.
Oh, your cocaine mixed in with the pesticides and a little bit of bleach, if you will.
I love me some good old Tide bleach.
Oh, hell yeah. All that together. One hell of a combination, I tell you. Yeah.
There's one guy who's not playing, Valk. Valk can't play. Valk's just in the off.
Is there a way to blow stuff from above?
Heck! I ran into that.
Dumb bubblegum, stupid little motherfucker.
Alright. This can be the big If you have like a voice changer, I'm usually turn it off or something.
Where's the answer?
We'll turn it off.
Oh lord. If that wall was in the way, I would.
Dude, this bug.
Yo, bug. Yo, bug. Retard, bro.
Friendly, last operator standing.
I got a crumb.
Right in the ass. You were just trying to pass by. Good lord.
1 op 4 remaining.
Oh lord, man. This fucking game.
Should I stay here for another few minutes or a few seconds?
Yeah.
Where you drawing that?
They all died. You you grenaded one or whatever.
No, I didn't. You see, no, minus 10 points. Bless you.
I think she's chilling on our cams. I'm gonna move. Psych.
Get paid. What's like the proning in the plants?
Yeah, I'm gonna go from the other side then.
Thank God we got Cav. I got Mr. Capital Capkin and Caviara. Hey, watch out for that Yeeted C4. It's near and it's hot. It's hot.
Is it from
It's
her?
hot. Yep.
Right
in the ass, what's more?
You should have right on top of the C4 too, dude.
He might join outside.
Biohazard container location unknown. Secure.
Thinking I had too much recoil on this spot, think I'm overly.
Oh, you don't. You stupid.
Op 4
I'm bad.
biohazard
What the
container.
fuck is happening outside?
I was trying to spawn thing is shaky, and then somebody came from my side
Oh, I
and
got
shot me. So can somebody come help me?
I got him. Don't worry.
I'll leave you out.
I dig myself a hole.
Come on, man, a spawn thing is shaky. You just stole my thunder. Come on.
Sledge is in bathroom. I hit him up.
That's how I'm gonna play.
Dude, come on. You stole my spawn peeking goodness is Lord Chunka. You're so mean.
He's like to the right.
We were friends, dude.
Still shit. You failed, so I just killed.
Hey.
Three Styles just left. Oh,
That was heavy.
yep. Looks like it's just us, boys.
What? Okay.
Mine's just me and you, Sudoku.
Apparently headshots don't register. Also, Sledge is coming to crap. Why would you go?
Your Honor.
If you remain in this zone, you will be detected by hostiles. You have been spotted by hostiles. Fall back.
Watch out right there. Buck.
Sledge is terminated.
Cool sheet. Look at you, fat ass.
Fat ass.
Crap! Oh god. You spooked me. Mate.
1 op 4 remaining.
Hefty.
Here, put out here, dude.
Oh, this is a dead body.
No, they're repelling.
Oh crap! They're above.
Oh my god, you greedy son of a bitch.
Hostiles
I literally got I hit you. Now in second place because of you.
Yeah.
That was my kill.
You were ready to jump out. Heck.
You call him lazy again, buddy?
I got black dude.
There we go.
Buck. Good boy.
Here, I'm gonna stem you.
That dude's good. Thank you, brother.
Kill a recruit. Just kidding.
I tapped the car on purpose.
Where's the guy right now? Ah! Oh, you.
Op 4, last operator standing.
This
Dude, you see, this is why he was favorite recruit. Oh my god, it's like actually not, dude.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
I got a kill for you right here.
Downstairs.
Yeah, it's Finka in the
LMG?
barrel.
Fika in a barrel.
Yeah, she's LMG. I'm gonna stem
You
you
see
and
the
you're just
fucking
gonna
barrel?
run in. Yeah,
Actually,
she,
is she prodding? Crashing?
yeah. Oh, she's upstairs now.
You serious? You go check up there.
You're Simi, dude? Something?
She's out the window, I think. I don't think she's gonna jump in. I think she's. Watch that barrel.
Yeah, yeah. I see it. I hear her running around.
Come over here.
Oh heck. I shot her in the head, but apparently. Nope.
Was it in a barrel?
In this zone, you will be
Yeah.
detected by hostiles. You have been spotted.
I'm like outside, Mr. Worldwide.
She probably.
Oh lord.
One friendly
No, I'm not even close to the objective.
Why are you all the way over? She's in the barrel.
Oh my
remaining.
god.
All friendlies
Didn't
were
let her
eliminated.
flash.
Mission failure.
How?
You didn't know she was standing up. Ah.
Fucking barrel shit down.
It'll shoot down. Oh. What the fuck is this game? Hey! Oh! Jesus Christ.
ADS deployed and ready to go. You can stop worrying.
Are you crazy, bro?
ADS deployed and ready to
I thought that was you that did that.